everybody. Let's go to a car show. I apologize for the music, folks. Here's a Mustang. Oh, that's nice. Got the engine clean on it. Some cars. Folks, there's a lot of cars here, and this is a Corsa, folks. So let's hope I can win a trophy. I got everything fixed up, displayed and stuff. We was headed for Barrel on I-10 about a mile out of Shaky Town. I said, "Third this here's a rubber duck, and I'm about to put the hammer down." Come on, join our convoy. Here's a Chevy, folks. Oh my word, let's check this one here out, folks. Here's the flagstone, folks. This one right here, folks, might be a winner, folks. It's been really nice on the add-on to it and everything. Truck bed's not cleaned out. Like I said, folks, he might have a winner. He might get the top best Charzy trophy, folks.
So we crashed the gate doing 98. I said, let them truckers roll 10-4.
There's some door prizes, folks.
Oh, it's down here, dear. Those are my first off.
Alright, folks, I better get the car ready. Make sure I have everything. Yeah. Everybody's got their fire extinguishers, folks. Oh, this thing got here. His trophies, his window sticker. Oh my word, this is nice.
Not perfect, but it's better. And actually, I bought all that stuff and went back and wiped it down again, but it still needs to be remodeled. But yeah, it's better than it was.
Well, folks, we had a car show day, and I hope it's a good one. Hope to see all those trophies, folks. So let's see what happens. So let's go. Have fun. Hey, everybody. There's more cars coming in. So I'm going to try my best to get a good video of it all. But what I'm doing, I'm trying to find my little camera tripod. Don't know where it went. On here's Donkey and Roger. Hold on a second, folks. Well, hello there, Donkey. Which car do you like? The truck?
Yeah.
Yeah. And she's judging it now. Yep. Judging yours now. Oh yeah. How am I doing? Take my hand, baby.
Folks, I'm gonna get a picture real quick of these cars, so I'll be right back. Hello, everybody. Here is a Chevy pickup truck. Sorry. Oops. We'll let everybody know that y'all gonna pass trophies out soon, folks. So I'm gonna try to do a video on that and see who wins, folks. I think there's 3 judges going by. So I'll let you see who wins. I'll try to do another video, try to see who wins. I'll try to put music over for y'all so you can hear so you don't hear the music over it.
All right, guys. Don't forget about the Hot Wheels. Damn, your phone's ringing.
I know how to skate.
Heavy, so it goes down faster.
All right, gang. It is 11:30, and you all are the racers today. So let me tell you how this is going to go, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull 2 names from this, 2 cards from this bucket. That's our first 2 racers. We're going to step up. One of you is going to call it in the air. You get your lane choice if you win the coin toss. You race. If you lose or you win, we're going to flop lanes, and the first 2 winners, that's the winner. That stays up, and we'll pull a number 1 out, and you race somebody else. Are we good on that? All right. Maddox, number 64.
Number 64, number 32, Tyler.
Number 32, Tyler, 034. That's you. All right. All right. Ash?
Oh, yeah. In June, this is what we do, like a family day.
Fails. Heads. Yeah, man. All right.
But it's just, it's just, I'm glad you're coming down. I don't want to be the only one to make it.
All right. Who's watching the line down there?
Both of us.
All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Roast. Oh! All right, come bring them up and we switch lanes. race. Uh-oh. Oh, hold on.
All right, there's a race.
That's gotta be a recall. If you fall off the track, you get one re-race. You get one re-race.
Unless it's the track's fault.
All right. Ready? Ready at the line? 3, 2, 1, race. Whoa.
He didn't make it though.
All right, Maddox
But he was
wins. He
jumping
stays
so
up.
funny.
Now I need another one.
There we go. I knocked that slow black one out. That's fine. I got a blue focus.
Ticket number 045. Looks like Angel Handy, number 9. All right, here we go, Angel.
Oh, here comes this is
All right.
the
Hey, where'd
Toyota
you
van.
go?
I just want to see that thing for you. That's even on the thing with my
Yes, it is. So you get to pick your lane.
It's a camper van.
Oh,
That's
look
the
at
van.
that. I like this van. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, race.
Oh, she was close with him.
Left.
Bye.
Left by a
Oh
bumper.
my goodness.
By a bumper.
So close. So stinking close.
All right, let's swap lanes. All right,
We need to invest in those.
Can I straighten your car up just a little bit?
Flag it.
All right, 3, 2, 1, race. Oh, we run. That's okay. You stay out. You stay out.
Yeah, something's going on.
No, no. It's just,
About 3 cars.
I think, well, because they
Can I need a couple of my judges to come down to the back row, please? I need judges on the back row. I got cars being judged.
Okay, here we go. Here's the re-race.
Outdoor race is going on. I'll be back up front here.
3, 2, 1, race.
Yes, she'll take him again.
Oh,
Yeah, there's something going on.
That right there. That right there. Don't trip there.
part of it. Is it a? Well, is it always this thing?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Rob.
All right, ticket number 026, Dallas Sutton, car 73. Oh boy.
Tails.
Fails.
All right, folks, here comes my Uncle D.
All right, ready at the line?
Ready at the line.
3, 2, 1, race. Drove around him. Drove around him. Managed got the jump. All right, we switch lanes.
Yeah.
He just did that.
She's been working too hard, man.
Engine burned it up.
3, 2, 1, race.
You're out, Maddox.
Oh!
And Donkey's in the
Got it
lead.
again. He's got the top end speed. Okay. All right, next racer, 043, Anthony, car number 24. 0440. It looks like last name Conley, number 44. Car number 44. There we go.
All right, buddy.
Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay, you want to let him go? Yeah. All right, now when I throw this in the air, you call it heads or tails, okay? So say it. Oh, yeah. Tails. That means he gets to pick his lane, and you're there you go. Oh, look at this hot rod. I like it. Ready out there? 3, 2, 1, race. Whoa, he got a jump. Right hand lane. Yeah, I think that he's got a bottomable racer. That's got some jump to it. All right, we switch lanes now. Yes. All right, ready?
Ain't he underage? Don't race it.
Ready at the line. Ready at the line. 3, 2, 1, race. Oh, he got the jump again. Left hand lane. All right, buddy.
Good job,
All right, buddy. You stay up here. You stay up here. You get
Well, how'd you do?
Oh, you get to keep racing there, cutie.
What'd I tell you? I knew it'd be a little guy that knocked me out.
Heck yeah. Oh, wait.
Not sitting up there. That one over there. You broke it.
There we go. I'll hold it.
Oh, the police officer.
Like that.
Yeah, because ain't no friction on this.
Okay. Drivers ready? Line ready. Race. Uh-oh. Whoa! Right hand lane.
Officer Stevens.
Right hand lane, about half a car. Drivers ready? Line ready. 3, 2, 1, race.
So it's gonna be a tie.
Done it again.
Police officer on it. But it was like, oh my God.
Best left, calls left. All right. Stand.
Hey, I'd rather be beat by a cop.
Oh, there's ways, folks.
Isaiah, here he is. All right.
Let's go, Isaiah.
You're gonna feel real bad.
Registration is now closed. If you have not been judged, I have judges available.
All right. Drivers ready.
Scream out, I've got one.
Line ready.
Ready.
3, 2, 1, race. Oh!
I had a little hiccup somewhere.
That's okay. It stays on, it stays on.
Okay.
Fall off and get it rid of this. All right, flat lanes. White with this.
We're available. If you haven't been judged, come get one of them. We're going to be drawing for 3 door prizes right now.
All right. Drivers ready. Line ready. 3, 2, 1, race.
Let's go. Into the white team.
Wait again. Wait here. Keep car for you.
Yeah.
Line ready. 3, 2, 1, race. Whoa!
It looks like it's a tie.
Half a car. That was tight.
I don't even know if it was half car, it was just a hair.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, one tail was right. Yep.
Okay. Are we ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, race. Oh! Right hand lane by a bumper. Yep, the switch. This is the tiebreaker.
I don't know what's gonna happen. I'll tell you.
I think you got a lucky card.
Yeah, I think you might be on to something. Well,
All right, drivers, y'all ready? Yep. Line ready. 3, 2, 1, race. Oh, rerun. That's a rerun. You get one rerun.
1v1, folks.
That left-hand lane is treacherous.
It is, ain't it?
It's just ain't one to work. Stay on the same. Stay on the same side. All right.
There you go.
Ready. 3, 2, 1, race. Whoa! Right hand lane. Right hand lane. Good race.
I think the Tesla might clean it up.
Get it done.
Picked out by the young man sitting right up here at the table. He showed up, so I let him do the walk around. This award will be going to Mr. Phil Hennix and his 2015 Chevy Corvette. Philip Hennix. Mr. Hennix, however you say your name. Mr. Philip Hennix. All right, I see him back there. I see his hand up over the top now. All right, now we're moving on to the Ladies' Choice Award. That's going to be Mr. Tim Burns and his 1929 Ford Model A. All right, so now we're going to start with the older year class. This year class is the 1989s and down. I'll read the names. You take the trophy out for you. All right, this is in no particular order. Grant Arnold, the 1972 yellow VW Super Beetle.
Congratulations, sir.
Richard Martin, a 67 Camaro. Richard Martin. He's coming. All right. Old and slow, somebody says. That sounded like Jackie, but I wasn't for sure. That's what I said, Super Bowl. 1970 Super Bowl.
Congratulations, sir.
Next up is Mr. Jerry Floyd, 1930 Model A Ford.
Congratulations, sir. Yes, sir.
Jackie Setters, 87 Chevy Silverado.
Congratulations.
C.C. Nestor, 1980 Chevy Camaro.
Congratulations, man.
I apologize if I slaughter this last name. Craig Spangler, a 1970 Mach 1 Mustang.
Congratulations, sir.
'78 Chevy K10 Melissa Powell.
Congratulations, man.
All right, Steve Sinners, 1954 International Pickup. Best of show for the 1989 and down. Margaret Dennis, 1964 Chevy C10. All right, we're going to be moving into our newer year models. Again, these are in no particular order. I have Mr. Tommy Watkins, a 2011 Hearst Camaro. Claude Brown, a 2002 Ford Mustang, Jack Rouse.
Congratulations, sir.
Rodney Hoover, a 22 Dodge Challenger.
Congratulations, sir.
Ada Bowman, 2005 Thunderbird.
Congratulations. Let's go, Ada.
Roger and Cindy Suttles, a 2025 Ford Mustang GT.
Congratulations, sir.
Let me
Yes,
get a
sir.
picture. Let me get a picture.
Tammy Moore, 2008 Ford Mustang. Tammy Moore, 2008 Ford Mustang.